What is up, my guys? It's Mars07. I'm here with Jack today.
Sup? Sorry, let me turn on my flashlight.
And
I'm underneath my bed and my PC's not working, so I have crap camera quality right now.
Yeah. And there you go, my life.
Okay. Doing Marshall's. Let me move this actually.
Yeah. So today I know you can see myself, but today we are going to. Looks like your power's out. Today we're gonna look at.
I just have my flashlight because my room is dark as frick.
Oh, I bet. Today we're gonna look at some custom.
Because of my black walls.
Today we're gonna look at some custom keyboard things.
Keyboard parts.
Parts, yeah.
First, we're going to do my.
I'm trying
Is
to
my screen loading?
It's loading still.
No, it's still loading. I just shared it. Give it a second, dude.
All right. We'll see y'all in a second. All right, guys. So we're gonna Jackson do pictures instead. So let's do that. All right.
I've just like copy and pasted.
Close stream. So yeah. So Jack, if you want to join our Discord server, link will be in the description.
Please don't spam. We already have way too many people spamming.
Well, there's a spam channel. I recommend you turn it.
Yeah, we have a spam whatever the fuck you want.
Yeah.
I don't use that personally.
Yeah. Also, we should upload a gas meme of the American Idol Funke Fate reaction video because that got like I got like super popular super quick. We almost have 1,000 views. Let's get there.
If you guys see me like scratching a lot during the video, I've been getting like hives on my body for I don't know what clue. We've been trying to figure out for like 2 weeks. If you see me itching a lot, yeah. I've had to leave school like
a lot of allergic reactions.
We don't know what to probably our detergent I use at home. Okay, so do you guys see the Discord screen on Zoom?
Yes, they can all see it.
Okay, so first we're gonna talk about Super Lube, the 92003 lubricant. That is actually for my keyboard stabilizers, which I'll get to in a second. This is for when I clip and lube my stabilizers, make them sound better.
Yeah. So
because I don't like
something.
I don't want to spend $24 on 205 grade 0 extra. I'm just
girl. No copyright.
My GK, then my GK68X. It's kind of like my Kano keyboard, just function keys on this side and no trackpad, and it's not membrane. It's a hotspot. I use this when I'm gonna make fun of membranes.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Then I got my GK68X.
Yeah.
65%.
If y'all see me moving a lot, I'm trying to get comfortable.
Yeah, he is. That chair is uncomfortable as frick.
I bet. Yeah, it is.
So, 68X. Swappable. Meh. Stabilizers. That's why I got the lube, and I have some band-aids, some scissors, so I can clip and lube the stabilizers and band-aid mods so they sound good. Switches are Durac Linears, 62 grams. Closest thing to banana splits, which is I could find for myself with a 62-gram spring. Also because there's I follow Ackharder PCs and I don't care what it says about keyboard switches. I just agree. Also, I do agree Cherry MX Browns are bad, not just because of them, just because of personal experience with one.
Yeah. Also, guys, this video is probably not gonna be as long as the other day, so you won't need.
That was a long ass video. Then. Yeah, 3 packs of those because I have a Killbox Navy and a Zelios V2. Zelios, I only have one spacebar. Navy, my escape. Recap time.
I just realized we're going to have to buy like 1 billion of those things.
Yeah. I only have like one of each, so then I'm going to have like a couple extras. Oh, shoot. I have to buy 4 packs of Durac Linears now. I have a 65% keyboard. I only got like 2 spare switches.
Yeah, all right. Tell us about the Durlock Linear switches.
These are the keycaps, actually. Yeah. They're $45. They're the drop GMK white on blacks, but this is the all Japanese katakana version, so it has no English printing on it. It's all Japanese. I'm so lucky.
I think of turning Japanese. Go ahead, Jack.
I'm not one to. I just like the design because I usually see a lot of white on black keycaps, but I want to change it up for a bit. So I'm gonna get these. It has a step space bar, escape key, which I'm going to change. I might do something with the case.
Yeah.
Maybe put a Marza 7 brand. Maybe put Marza 7 branding.
Oh yeah, we have our merch now. We've had merch for a while, and we haven't got really anyone buy it, but it's fine. But y'all should buy it, guys. It's in teespring.com. Link in the description. Just go like that. All right.
Yeah. Do you guys see my Amazon screen?
No, I cannot. Oh yes, I can see it now.
My keyboard. Let me save these for later. These are backup keycaps, just in case these go out of stock. They're my backups.
Heck yeah.
I'll tell you guys about those. I told you guys about those previously.
Yeah.
Let me just save all these for later, and let's build Marshall's keyboard. Man,
we're not building it today, guys. That's like.
Yeah, we're just getting the parts. So I'm definitely gonna mod the stabilizers because I will have grease left over.
Yeah. All right, now Jack, tell us.
Let's get a GK61 PCB.
All right, now tell us.
Getting a GK61.
All right. There's also the drop GMK white on black katana.
Take Kana.
Kata.
Those are just keycaps. Those are just keycaps. It's just these.
Yeah, if you're wondering what they look like, it looks like this. That's Japanese, but I don't even care.
It looks so good.
I don't even know what language that is.
So we're gonna get this $63 $3.64.48 GK61X because one, it's cheaper than the GK68X, and also it's a normal 60%. It's aluminum. Mine is I prefer like a plastic one because I can like get different cases for it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, guys. I'm sorry, guys, that some of the on our videos, our comments are being turned off. I'm not doing that on purpose. I don't know what's triggering it, but it did it. I think it's whenever you put in certain words like COVID or that vegan teacher. I think that's happening.
Yeah. One thing on that update, she's back.
Yeah. Also, I gotten paper proof that Sam tested negative, which I already told you yesterday.
Actually, this is the
plastic. I mean, wait, I never told you all that. Okay. I got paper proof that yeah. So go ahead, Jack.
So it's the GK61 plastic case in white. We're gonna paint it. That's why I chose white, so we can paint it.
All right.
Aluminum plate. We're not gonna paint because it's the plate. It comes very badly foamed. I can find some foam maybe and foam it. Hey, GK61X hot swap. You can choose between split spacebar and normal spacebar. I say normal spacebar because split spacebars will be a pain. Also, we're gonna mod the stabilizers, clip them, Band-Aid mod them. The most basic ones you can do.
Yeah. All right. Yeah.
And we're gonna lube with dielectric.
Yeah, and we're not. I don't think we're gonna get. And guys, I don't think we're gonna get any protection plans.
Protection plans suck. Also, if you guys see it being slow, I've been I'm screen recording just one screen, and I'm running 4 gigs of RAM and a 2-core CPU. That's why it's slow as balls in screen recording. So let's get Marshall, do you want linear switches, tactile switches? Tactile switches are clicky switches, just without the clickiness, like the loud clicky sound. Just normal clicky switches.
I'll take the black smoky ones.
Dude. There's multiple types of switches. Here, let's just look up keyboard switches. If I look in the camera, I'm just testing out the light on the camera. We're not normal Kel Browns. I'd rather get like a Kel box switch. I'm looking for something that's cheaper. That's for 20 switches. Get like these for like 60 for this price, but I want to get something that recommend anyone.
Yeah. Oh yeah, guys, if it's glitchy, I'm sorry. I'm trying to use Zoom, but for some reason it doesn't work on his Chromebook because it runs super slow with all.
I tried it, slow as freaking balls on here.
I bet. Yeah.
What is it? I say we buy a bunch of Killbox Jades, take out the click bar, like a wire that makes it sound really clicky. Make them into the card PCs.
Oh yeah. Guys, before we keep going, I want to show y'all my mom's keyboard. It's super clicky. If you want it clicky, if you want to see it.
So
here it is. Right, Jack, stop.
Jack. Oh no! I know something.
Jack, stop! I'm trying to play a video.
It's a linear.
Jack, just be quiet for a second. This is it. That's what I hear pretty much every day.
It's not.
Mom's a book writer, so she needs that. It's a Matthias Packhouse on me.
It's not clicky switch, actually. It's a linear switch, but the keycaps make it sound like it because it has no sound dampening.
Yeah, it's so loud. I can literally hear that from my freaking office, and I'm like,
all the way across the house.
Yeah,
literally all the way across the house.
I'm like 60 feet. I'm like 80 feet away from her.
So I say we buy Botox, buy some acrylic paint brushes, because I want to spend somewhere around 150 on this keyboard, or at least 120, depending if I have acrylic paint brushes and just have to spend $10 on lube. No, we're not lubing these. I'm going to try with a dielectric grease.
Yeah.
I'm stupid. I know. For keyboard, this is stupid, lubing switches with dielectric grease, but box Jades. Take out the click bar, make them this thing called neutered Jades, which are linear switches.
Yeah. All right, guys. Yeah. There's that. Do you have anything else, Jack?
Yeah, just add these to the cart so I might buy like 2 because I'm putting like 2 because I might make myself some. I might buy like a pack for myself, make myself some neutered Jades. Try them out.
Yeah. If you want to hear my keyboard, it's like this.
As a freaking membrane.
Yeah.
Membrane keyboard, that's why it's
this is kind of bent because I raged over Roblox about a year ago. And I threw it like...
The reason it's bad is because it's a membrane.
It's suggesting...
Marshall, what are your
favorite and we're definitely going to put the Starbucks Nitro Cold Brew in our keycap. I'm just kidding. Go ahead.
I was looking at some Starbucks drinks earlier because I was thirsty during mid history class because I sit next to the door, but my Chromebook screen is facing the wall, so I can literally just freaking look at coffee. I'm that bored. So, what are your favorite colors?
I don't care. Red. Also like.
Besides red and black, because we've already got that build on my website. This is like a separate build, not the build that went onto my website. This is gonna be a totally separate.
I'll take blue.
That making out.
I said blue.
The what?
Blue.
The color. I need more than one color for keycaps.
Blue. Blue. Orange.
I can find keycaps.
Yeah, but
keycap set. I have spare keycaps left. I'm probably gonna suggest that we glue them together to make like a statue or something.
Yeah, shoot. I
think these are for 60%. Oh, okay. These are good, but not the best.
Yeah.
I'm just checking this for myself. Maybe I don't want to get JMKs. Maybe I'll just get these because I'm looking for some essay profiles.
Okay, that video was made like half a decade ago, so. And she still has that thing.
Yes.
Yeah. She still works with that thing today. Oh yeah, and if you play this at 0.25 speed, you'll get this. And if you go at twice speed, you'll get this. Wait, my mom could actually play it really fast. Yeah, my grandmother on my mom's side, she can type really fast too. She was a secretary at one point, so that's why.
We buy these. They'll have RGB shining throughout the sides of them and the top of them.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. We're gonna get a lot of RGB.
No problem.
We're gonna get a lot of RGB in this PC.
Marshall prefers RGB. Usually RGB. I prefer RGB, but it's gonna be like all white. But for my keyboard, I'm gonna turn it off. Turn off the RGB.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna turn off the RGB whenever.
Make this look like a modern. I want to swear so badly, but this is YouTube and we'll get demonetized words.
Okay, I'll probably turn. Okay, why am I facing this way? I'll probably turn off the RGB whenever someone's sleeping in here, which never really happens all that much, but yeah.
You could just unplug the PC. It won't wipe anything.
Yeah, like whenever someone sleeps over here, like Aiden could be coming soon. And whenever my grandparents come.
You get like a typing test or something.
Yeah. Dude, I'm so excited to build this PC.
Yeah, but this is like a come on, Amazon.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna be open all summer pretty much, except the first week of summer, I'd say, because I'm gonna be going on vacation to none other than Virginia, which is pretty awesome. I'm going to the.
It's gonna be free all freaking summer. If I go on vacation, I'll let you guys know in a video. So the days we don't upload, days I'm on vacation, Marshall will upload.
Yeah, I'm going to Virginia in about a month, so there's that.
And the days I'm on vacation, Marshall will upload. The days Marshall's on vacation, I'll upload.
Yeah, also, guys, Jack, you're probably gonna see Jack a lot upload this weekend because I'm gonna be super busy. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Friday, I have I actually have a gig that I'm gonna have to skip school for School of Rock.
Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, keyboard content that will be recorded on my phone because I'm gonna finish fixing up my PC on. Is it Sunday? I'm gonna finish fixing up my PC.
Yeah, and then Saturday
I will clean up my workspace.
Okay, and Saturday I have a show.
Keyboard stuff this weekend.
Okay, Saturday I have a show again and then I have the IndyCar race I'm going to at Texmore Speedway, and then Sunday I'm going to another IndyCar race at Texmore Speedway because it's a doubleheader this weekend.
I wanted to go, but we don't know what's going on this weekend. And I also never mentioned it to my parents. So, keyboard build, $128. This is good.
Yeah, dude. So yeah, guys. What else do you have to say?
Gonna be Neuter Jades and GK.
Yeah. All right. Send me the links to those because maybe we can add them to my keyboard list. I mean my PC list.
Marshall, I'll email you. Put the email. I'll send you the links through Discord so you can put them in the description.
Yeah. Also, doesn't this kind of look creepy because I have two faces? You can't see it, Jack, but yeah. All right, guys. So yeah, that's
this weekend. Keyboard content. The one thing I wanted to do on this channel. Coming.
Heck yeah. And Jack, okay guys, if comments get turned off, I am gonna turn them back on again. And if they turn back off, I'm gonna turn back on again. Keep it over and over again. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, I think. So yeah. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a
keyboard build might change.
Yes, possibly.
Build might change, but I'll put my website link in the description. So when it changes, it will, once you refresh, put in like the Marzo 7 Discord server. It updates so you guys can see the final thing because I'm planning on buying parts this weekend.
Yeah, good. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please join our Discord server. Link will be in the description. Also, buy some of our merch.
It's also in the description.
Yeah, and you can buy Jack's merch too. Custom cool.
Put that link later.
Yeah, I'm putting every link. Oh, hold on. Let me fix this. Yeah, dude. Okay.
Videos I record, I'll put my merch in. The videos you do with me, you just put your merch.
Yeah.
Balance.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a nice day and goodbye.
Alice blinded me. Okay, I can turn off my flashlight.
Jack, you know the video's still going.
I just turned off my flashlight.
Nice. See ya, guys.